Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are preparing your Bosch washing machine for cleaning, maintenance or inspection, you may need to remove the front panel. Since internal components are located behind this section, it's important to proceed carefully and follow safe practices throughout the process. Fortunately, removing the front panel of a Bosch washing machine can be done methodically with the right approach. Taking your time and ensuring the appliance is disconnected from power can help prevent unnecessary damage. In this video, I'll walk you through several simple steps that may help you safely remove the front panel of your Bosch washing machine. Try these. Step 1. Unplug the Bosch washing machine and make sure it is completely powered off. Step 2. Prepare the necessary tools before working on the Bosch washing machine. Step 3. Locate the fasteners securing the front section of the Bosch washing machine. Step 4. Carefully loosen the mounting points on the Bosch washing machine without forcing them. Step 5. Support the front panel while separating it from the Bosch washing machine. Step 6. Place the removed panel from the Bosch washing machine in a safe location to avoid damage.